Hey, what's up guys? After 2 months stay at home, today is our first visit in a Chinese restaurant. If you ask me what is my favorite Chinese food, I will say it's definitely hot pot. What? Don't tell me you haven't tried it yet. It's the most popular food in China. You can find hot pot restaurant in literally every city. So hot pot is a cooking method prepared with a simmering pot of soup stuck at the dining table, containing a variety of meat, seafood, and vegetables. It has almost 2,000 years history, and nowadays there are mainly two different variations, the northern hot pot and the southern hot pot. The northern hot pot is popular around North China, including cities like Beijing, Tianjin, and Inner Mongolia. It is also called the traditional hot pot or old-fashioned hot pot because it keeps the tradition using charcoal to heat up the pot. The soup base is normally very light, and therefore the soul of this kind of hot pot is the sauce. And the meat quality is also important to result a good taste. Lamb goes well with this hot pot, so the Beijinger call it 涮羊肉. The southern hot pot usually means Sichuan hot pot. Yes, you can tell from the name, it's spicy. The restaurant we are at today offers Sichuan hot pot. You can find a sauce bar in almost every hot pot restaurant. Here you can make your own dipping sauce. Sesame paste is commonly used as base sauce, and then you can add some other ingredients on top, such as coriander and green onions. So I am making a typical Beijing-style sauce, so I'll add pickled tofu and leek flour sauce. For those who can't handle spicy food, you can choose yin-yang pot to get two different broths, one spicy and one non-spicy. The beef we ordered is marinated and looks fresh. After the soup is fully boiled, we can put the ingredients into the pot. The best order of eating hot pot is to eat meat first, then vegetables. This restaurant also offers spicy dry pot. It is developed from hot pot, has the same intense spicy flavor, but no boiling broth. What I ordered is spicy ribs dry pot. Since we chose the all-you-can-eat menu with €28.80, we can also have Chinese kebab. Tastes really authentic. Feel like I'm in China. If you want to make hot pot at home, it's quite easy. You will need a pot, and you can find the packaged soup base in every Chinese supermarket. This Little Sheep brand is my favorite. Then get whatever vegetables you like from your local supermarkets. The sliced lamb and beef are available at Chinese grocery stores. These interesting shaped mushrooms have a nickname, "See you tomorrow," because you can see them in the toilet the next day. Hungry already? I bet. To end today's video, learn with me how to say hot pot in Chinese. 火锅. Now once again, 火锅, 火锅. Alright, try it and let me know if you like it. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.